wait is finally over. Mercedes-Benz has officially unveiled its groundbreaking 2026 Mercedes Actros Pickup Truck, a bold entry into the luxury pickup segment. Mercedes has been teasing a luxury pickup for years, and now the 2026 Actros Pickup Truck is here to redefine the segment. From the very first glance, the Mercedes Actros pickup commands attention. The massive Panamericana-style grille, flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights, gives it a futuristic and aggressive look. The hood is sculpted with aerodynamic lines, hinting at the power under the hood. Mercedes has also incorporated functional air vents and an off-road ready bumper, making it clear that this truck isn't just about luxury, it's built for action. Moving to the back, the Actros pickup continues to impress. The sleek LED taillight strip stretches across the tailgate, similar to the design language seen in the EQ series SUVs. The power-operated tailgate offers hands-free access, and the cargo bed is lined with durable, high-quality materials, ready to handle any tough job. Plus, Mercedes has included a built-in step system and innovative cargo tie-downs, making loading and unloading a breeze. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a pickup truck. Mercedes has created an ultra-premium cabin featuring Nappa leather upholstery, real wood trim, and ambient lighting. The massive MBUX Hyperscreen dominates the dashboard, offering a seamless digital experience with AI-powered voice commands and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 2026 Actros pickup is expected to come with multiple engine options, including a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with mild hybrid technology, producing around 450 horsepower, a twin-turbo V8 option, delivering an estimated 600 horsepower, perfect for those who crave more power, CPOG. And possibly an all-electric version sharing technology from the EQG and EQS models, offering over 400 miles of range and rapid charging capabilities. So how much will this luxury powerhouse cost? While Mercedes has yet to reveal official pricing, experts predict a starting price of $70,000 for the base model, climbing to $100,000 plus for the fully loaded AMG or electric variant. As for its release date, the 2026 Actros pickup truck is expected to hit dealerships by late 2025, with pre-orders opening by mid-2025. Get ready, because this truck is going to shake up the industry.